What's up, guys? This is Patrick, and today I'm gonna be opening this Pokemon box I got, which is of Shining Legends, and it comes with this little figure, and I don't know how to pronounce Darkrai GX, but yeah. So let's get this open. So it comes with 4 Shining Legend packs, and it comes with this figure, and it also comes with this card.
Oh no!
Looks pretty cool. And yeah, it does pretty good damage. Um, just a little figure I have, which that looks pretty cool. Cause I like one. I have one other figure, and it's a Latios. So I'll show you guys that if you guys want to see it. Alright, so I don't know the order of this, so I'm just gonna go through them. So I got a Torracat, Eakins, a Pikachu, a Jinx, this Kurokana. Ooh, this one looks cool. Voltorb, Latios, and there's just energy, and then Pokemon Breeder. Oh, look, we got an Arbok, and then a Great Ball. So let's get on to the next pack. Alright, so this is the second pack. Energy, Trainer. What is this? Scratchy cards. Alright, yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, these are really good to use. Oh, look, Ivysaur. I really like Bulbasaur, one of my favorite Pokemons. Especially when it evolves from Venusaur. Stunfisk. Totodile. I used to always get these a lot. Oh, I need this. Litten.
I killed him.
A Perlon. Palkan. Just this. But yeah, this one's really cool. Oh, I didn't realize, but you could see that shine on that. Looks really sick. Alright, so on to the next pack. Alright, so Fairy Energy, Great Ball, Electrode, Pokemon Breeder. Uh-oh. I know you guys saw that. Oh. Scraggy. Uh-oh, the last card. Jinx. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, shit! Oh! A Zorg GX. Whoa, I never had this. It's one of those rainbow ones. Oh, shit. That is lit. Man, that's sick. I'll be showing my, the Pokemon I got then. So, on to the final pack. Okay, on to the final pack. Got that. We got a Lightbird. We got that Pokemon catcher. Golurk. Oh, it's pretty good. Minin. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay. There's a plus, whatever. Hey, a Bulbasaur. Alright, so last card. No, almost last card. A Palkia. Please be something good. Well, that's alright. Okay, so I'll show you guys my Pokemon. Alright, so these are my favorite right here. Got the Bulbasaur, the Ivysaur. Let's get a little closer. The Arbok. And this one really looks cool. And then the Golurk, because that one's pretty high. And then the Latios. And then there's the figurine again. Kind of looks weird, but I don't know. It's not that much of a view to show you guys. Oh yeah, I forgot these Palkias. I got 2 of them, so those are pretty cool. And last but not least, with these 2. So the Darkrai GX was guaranteed, but I finally pulled one of these rainbow ones. Heard these are really rare. Just don't feel so cool. Zoroark GX. You know, I don't even know that Pokemon. So that's the end of the video. So make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you're notified when I post, because I'm posting daily. And if you ever want me to do more Pokemon pack openings in the future, just tell me, and when I could afford it, I'll buy it. And peace.